Well, hello folks, me again. This time I'm going to attempt to single pin pick this best brass padlock that I got sent from Snyder in the States. He sent me a couple of these here. This is the brass one, nice and hefty, beautiful lock, very well made. So you can see the hole there, you can put the chain through. There's your keyway, focus. There you go. EDB 56 it says underneath the logo there. It does come with working key. I don't have the control key for this, but I do have the operating key. As you can see, it's not key retaining. It's locked up there again. So there's the bitting on the key. It's very strange as well. It's a 6-pinner. All standard pins, but say the tolerances are good and it's very well made. A lot of zero cuts there on the key, as you can see. It's by no means an easy pick. I'll say that. It takes you a while to get used to it. I'm just using top keyway tension and Peterson short hook. I'm just going to start from the back. Usually just treat this lock as though it has, serrated pins, because it takes you to be very careful when you're setting things. Sometimes you get a nice set, and other times the pins would drop. We're set them pretty easy as well. I haven't found it an easy pick, but I haven't found it, it's not too difficult. I haven't been able to pick it yet to the controls here line, but sometimes you get a wee slight turn of the core. Just takes you a wee bit of patience with it. There it is. Picked open. Thank goodness for that. As I say, it's it picked to the operating shear line. There you are. That's it open. As you can see. Locked up there again. Well, that's your best 6-pin padlock, brass padlock, single pin picked. Thanks again to Snyder. It's a beautiful lock, Michael. Lovely. One definitely for the collection. So, thanks very much for watching, folks, and take care of yourselves, and as usual, all the best. Bye bye.